Find A if the coefficients of x square and x cube in the expansion of 3 plus ax whole raised to 9 are equal. Let us proceed with the solution. Here in this question, the given expression is 3 plus ax whole raised to the power of 9. Well, we know that the general term or the r plus 1th term in the expansion of a plus b whole raised to n is given by tr plus 1 equals to ncr into a raised to n minus r into b raised to r. Therefore, the general term of 3 plus ax whole raised to 9 is given by tr plus 1 is equal to 9cr into 3 raised to 9 minus r into ax whole raised to r, or we can also write it as 9cr into 3 raised to 9 minus r into a raised to r into x raised to r. Therefore, the coefficient of x raised to r in the general term is given by 9cr into 3 raised to 9 minus r into a raised to r. Similarly, we can find the coefficient of x square and x cube. If you substitute r equal to 2 here, then you will get the value for coefficient of x square, and on substituting r is equal to 3 here, we will get the coefficient of x cube. So similarly the coefficient of x square is given by 9c2 into 3 raised to the power of 9 minus 2 is 7 into a raised to the power of 2. Call it as equation 1. And the coefficient of x cube is given by 9c3 into 3 raised to the power of 9 minus 3 is 6 into a raised to the power of 3. Call it as equation 2. So we are given that the coefficient of x square is equal to the coefficient of x cube. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, we can say that 9c2 into 3 raised to the power of 7 into a square is equal to 9c3 into 3 raised to the power of 6 into a cube. Here we can cancel 3 raised to the power of 6 on both the sides, so this will leave 1 3 here, and now we can write 9c2 as factorial 9 upon 9 minus 2, that is 7 factorial into 2 factorial into 3 into, actually we can also cancel a square on both the sides, this will leave 1a on the right hand side, equals to 9c3 is nothing but factorial 9 upon 9 minus 3 is 6 factorial into 3 factorial into a. Here we can cancel 9 factorial on both the sides, and now we can write 3 upon 7 factorial is nothing but 7 into 6 factorial into 2 factorial is 2 itself is equal to a upon 6 factorial into 3 factorial. Here we can cancel 6 factorial on both the sides, so we have a is equal to 3 into 3 factorial upon 7 into 2. This gives us a as 3 into 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1 upon 7 into 2. These 2 gets cancelled, and finally we have a is equal to 3 3s are 9 upon 7. Hence the required value of a is 9 upon 7. So this completes our solution.